Hey everyone! Welcome back to FireTV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install ES File Explorer on your FireStick using a fast and working downloader code with the new FireStick interface. If you're looking for a useful file management tool that can help you organize, access, and manage files on your FireStick, this is definitely one you'll want to check out. I'll take you through the complete installation process from start to finish, including how to find downloader, enable the required permission, enter the ES File Explorer code, and install the app properly on your FireStick. Plus, I'll also cover some of its useful features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, let's jump in and get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say downloader and the app will appear. Once downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My FireTV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. Press the back button, open developer options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer FireTV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install ES File Explorer, let me quickly tell you why this app can be useful on a FireStick. ES File Explorer is designed as a file management tool that gives you a convenient way to browse folders, manage files, organize downloads, and access different storage locations from one interface. It can also make it easier to locate files that you've downloaded to your device, while its file management tools give you more control over how your storage is organized. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the ES File Explorer downloader code exactly as shown, 3531785. After entering the code, click Go. The ES File Explorer download page will now load on your FireStick. Once the page opens, the APK will now begin downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your FireStick a few moments while ES File Explorer installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, feel free to use the link below. Now let's take a look at ES File Explorer. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find ES File Explorer there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. ES File Explorer provides a file management interface where you can browse through folders and locate files stored on your FireStick. You can use it to organize downloaded files, manage folders, and keep track of the different files stored on your device. The app can also be useful when you need to locate a particular file instead of searching through different folders manually. Its file management layout is designed to provide access to different storage locations from one place, making it easier to keep your FireStick organized. Another useful aspect is that a file manager can help you keep an eye on the files you've downloaded over time, especially if you regularly install apps or transfer files to your device. The interface is designed for larger screens, and navigation works with the FireStick remote, making it easier to move through folders and available options. And that's it. You've successfully installed ES File Explorer on your FireStick using the latest downloader code and the new FireStick interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to FireTV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.